Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking metals, let's talk about gold. I could talk about copper, but I think gold is more interesting, down about 1% on the lows today, getting down to about 1185.60 on the futures contract, popping back up to over 1187 in toward the close of the day. Obvious reason for that is the Fed. And the hawkish Fed basically hit all the metals, base metals and precious metals, both yesterday and today, the end of the day yesterday and today. So considering that the announcement didn't come out till 1 o'clock, the futures were open, but the vast majority of the move happened overnight and this morning, and it continues to keep pressure, especially on gold itself. Part of that reason is the Fed again was slightly hawkish, which strengthens the dollar and keeps interest rates, pushes interest rates, I should say, a little bit higher. Rates and the dollar are inverse to gold. So in other words, if the dollar's rising and rates are rising, the gold is likely falling. And we had some good data this morning that kind of pushed that. We had durable goods here in the US up 4% versus an expectation of up 2.5%, which then strengthened the dollar even more than it already was yesterday, pushed interest rates even higher, especially out on the long end of the curve, and gold continued to fall. Now, there could be a reason for gold to come up off the mat, and that would be geopolitics. We still are talking about the terrorist attack last weekend in Iran, and Iran has vowed revenge, although we still don't know who that revenge is going to be on. There was some reports that it was an ISIS attack. Iran is clearly blaming the US and US-backed separatists. So we don't know if this revenge attack will take place and how it will take place, but that potentially could get gold up off the mat. But fundamentally, it looks like gold is going to stay weak. Certainly was weak today, down almost 1% on the day. This is Bob Iaccino talking gold futures from the CME Group trading floor here in Chicago.